Imagineering is realm where the impossible gets done, about accepting never-done-before challenges and delivering on them, converting into reality that which was only a dream, and providing customized solution on time, every time. And we are all about Imagineering. The Aranya project is located adjacent to the Veer Jijamata Udyan in Baikala, Mumbai, which can be approached from E.S. Patanwala Road and Victoria Road. The east side of the project site is Rambhau Bhogle Marg, having densely populated residents. The project site has 4 access gates. Gate number 3 and 4 would be extensively used for logistic purpose. The recreational ground is being used for setting up of infrastructure, primarily consisting formwork yard, reinforcement yard, batching plant and project office along with the workmen accommodation. The requirement of large area to store and make the required bars becomes critical. This gets offset by L&T's centralized steel processing center at Khopoli. Similarly, the formwork factory at Puducherry is fully geared up for just-in-time delivery to ensure perfect synergy with the project schedule. The entry for the vehicles containing building materials is from gate number 3 and the exit from existing gate number 4. The logistics plan has been conceived keeping in mind Aranya's specific requirements, from a batching plant located on site to the workmen accommodation within the site premises. This compact batching plant proposed at site will release the least residual dust, limiting to the storage bins. Construction on Aranya will occur in 2 phases, with the first phase commencing on the North Tower. L&T's unmatched manpower mobilization abilities in combination with a vibrant entrepreneurial and empowered site team will, as always, give a clear edge to the project. L&T's in-house team of high-rise experts have strived to come up with an optimal combination of time-tested and automated construction methodologies after thoroughly understanding the unique structural and logistic challenges that Aranya presents. In the first phase of construction, the podium parking, EWS and spindle tower are slated to be complete, with the North Tower reaching the refuge level on the 9th floor. Continued with the timelines clock. L&T will leave no stone unturned to ensure safety of its workers, staff and patrons, providing auto-climb safety screen at working slab levels, necessary signage and barricades. There will also be adequate basic amenities provided within the structure at refuge level to ensure well-being of workmen and staff working on various levels of the high-rises. In-house training of workmen are being provided both at site as well as at well-equipped CSTI training center along with mock trainings. Adequate illumination will be maintained to utilize the night time for shifting of materials. In order to ensure peace and tranquility for our furry friends, next door at the zoo, climbing safety screen wall will act as noise barrier so that construction activities during day and night do not interrupt the sleeping patterns of zoo inhabitants. Luminaires are given near to outer wall focusing on construction site such that minimum light should be trespassed. The second phase of construction at the South Tower is slated to begin 12 months after the start of the North Tower and will continue in the same sequence as the North Star. The laydown of finishing materials are proposed at podiums with the necessary precautions for stacking. MEP and finishes scopes will also be synchronized with the structure progress to achieve optimum synergy. With L&T's turnkey capabilities in design and implementation for MEP and finishes, it goes without saying that all the finer nuances would be flawlessly integrated into Aranya, with the final product being simply spectacular. Conceived with grandeur and delivered with care, Aranya will not only be a fitting landmark in its own right, but will also symbolize the beginning of an exciting and fruitful journey for Piramal and L&T for doing well and doing good on many more such path-breaking projects to come.